What's up, YouTube? It's another exciting adventure of what the heck am I going to do with these chickens? Well, here we are. Right beside the old barn here, I've got this little lean-to shed. It was built onto it. It's been here since probably Moses. And I've got all this wood underneath it. A big tree fell down in a big old huge storm not too long ago, a couple of years ago. And what did I have to do? Well, split it up. This tree was massive. Fell into the neighbor's yard. Took a little bit of the fascia off of their house. No big deal. It took me 3 months by myself to cut it all up and split it. Stack it right here. And so me and the kiddos, we had the mighty mean task of restacking it out of the shed because it occurred to me, how was I going to build a massive coop for these 17 chickens? I don't know. What was I to do? Well, I thought, I've already got a lean-to little shed off the side of the barn. I can put some stuff around it, get some chicken wire, get the kiddos to help me move some wood and stack it back over on the other side, maybe get it sold. Yeah, that's what I'll do. But when I got in there, ooh, it was a lot more work than we realized. This video here is going to be about, I don't know, a day's work of just stacking. And we got halfway done. It wasn't even all of it. Wasn't even all of it, friend. And it's because of this right here. This 3-gallon jug of water my little girl is going to go give to the chickens and the ducks. They would blow through that twice in a day. And as soon as you'd give it to them, it was gone. I'm talking about 20, 30 minutes, hour tops. And so we've got all our chickens and 4 ducks in this little brooder. Look, there's no room. There's no room. Like they sprouted in 2 weeks. They're huge. Look at Tyrannosaurus Rex right there. That was a mean duck, so I called her Tyrannosaurus. She was hateful. We got rid of the 4 ducks, by the way. That's a story for another day. But it took all 3 of us, me, the 2 big kids, working diligently through the afternoon, making sure that we cleaned up our messes and watched ourselves when we made our spills. But we did it all together, and we got it done. I was so proud of them, what they accomplished, and we are going to move on and build the rest of the coop in the next video. And that's an exciting time. But we made sure that this wall was steady, ready, and willing to accept everything. And we found us a little snake underneath all of that before we stacked. Here's where I stacked all the wood on the side of the old workshop. I got a wood shop in there. Very messy. Maybe I'll do some wood shop videos and stuff. But this is southward facing, so it's going to get sun all day. It's going to keep it dry. It's got a little bit of a ledge over on top of this roof here. Keep it a little bit dry, but it ain't going to be nothing like what the shed did for it. And then over here, I got a pile of the old stuff that I'd first cut, you know, probably 1.5 years ago. 2 years, probably, yeah, 2 years now. And it's just rotten. And I wound up just realizing it might not be salvageable at all. Some of it could. So this might be just for the old fire pit at the house. So it's kind of the update on the wood stacking. I kind of want to get into stacking and selling some wood. I have done some selling of firewood. It's worked out okay. Not a lot of presentation on it as far as social media and things like that. So I think I had a big truck full of wood I sold maybe for like 150 bucks. And then another buddy of mine came and bought some and got a couple loads or 2, 3. Gave me about 100 bucks for them. So I mean, as far as the labor costs and the gas I put in it, probably not worth it, but at least I've got wood. And we're thinking about putting a wood stove in the house just as alternate heat. So that's something that we've got to look forward to, you know, in the winter months and stuff like that. So, but this will likely be for the old fire pit, for the old marshmallows. Reminds me of Dennis the Menace. And there it is, the progress for the day. We worked well into the night. As you can see, all that wood there on the left that you're about to look at exclusively, we stacked all that up in that muddy area that we talked about, used only for the fire pit. There's all kinds of stuff in this little pit, in this little shed, and everything, including a kitchen sink, as you'll see. But we worked well into the night. We were exhausted. We were done. I was proud of the kids, but we had to call it a day. And, you know, you feel good after a day's work like that. But I appreciate you coming in and listening to this, watching our video, seeing what the heck we're going to do with those 17 chickens. If you enjoyed this content, I ask that you would just like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we hope to bring you more in the very, very near future. Thank you.